Hi, good morning. I wanted to do something a little different today. So, I wanted to show you what I do for the birds with strawberries. The other day, I took blueberries out for them and they ate them all up. So, then I took a strawberry and I chopped it up and they ate that too. So, I'm going to bring them some more strawberries today. See, here they are. I chopped these up. I'm going to try bringing them out and show you what I do. So come on out to my garden and we'll go together. I'll show you how I do it. I have to open up the patio door, so I'll have to put these berries down for a minute. Woo, it's windy out there today. In fact, the other day it was so windy that my little coffee can that I made blew away, and all the strings, thank goodness, stayed in there. But I had to figure out how to keep it from blowing away. So I taped it to this plant. See my pretty plant? I got it for Mother's Day. And there's my little coffee can with the strings that I made. I stuck it to the plant so it wouldn't blow away. Well, let's hope it stays that way. Oh my goodness, it's windy out here. Come on over to my bird feeder with me and we'll see what happened to the last strawberries that I put out there. Ah, looks like they're gone. There's the plate. Can you see it? There's the plate. And it's empty, but it's kind of dirty. I should really clean it. Well, I could put this paper plate, but it's going to blow away. They dug out look at this. The squirrels dug out one of the bulbs that I planted. I'm going to have to replant it. So what can I do to keep this paper plate from blowing away? Maybe if I tuck it under here until I can wash this plate. Let's hope it doesn't blow away by the time I get back. Okay, come on over here, we'll wash the plate. Oh, I'm telling you, gardening takes all of your time. See if I can wash this plate because I don't want to put a dirty plate up. It'll make the berries dirty and the birds might get sick. Let's see if I can clean it with one hand. I don't know. Clean it up. Get some of that dirt off there. Okay. Clean the dirt off that plate. Make it clean. Clean for the birds. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's go bring it back. Okay. Let's put the strawberries out onto the plate. We can just put a couple of strawberries. Can you see them? There's the berries on the plate. And that's it. Oh. Are you still with me? I'll just throw the rest of this out into the garbage. Oh, it needs to get a little warmer. I would like it better. Now, you gotta save that bulb. When I get my gardening gloves on, I'll replant this bulb over there that the squirrels dug out. But I wanted to show you my birdhouse too while we're out here. There's my azaleas. And let's see if I can show you the birdhouse. Can you see it up there in the tree? That's where I'm hoping the birds will come build a nest. And I don't know if it's too late in the season. I might have missed it and they might already have their nest built, but I'm hoping that maybe they'll see those strings in the box, in the coffee pot that I put out. Maybe they'll still make their nest, I don't know. Okay, well, thanks for coming with me to my garden, and I'll let you know if the birds come and eat those strawberries. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Go out and see what's in your garden. See if you see any birds and what flowers are growing. Oh, and one other thing I want to show you. I found out that even though usually roses wait until June to bloom, because June is really the month for roses, I found out that one of my rose plants is starting to make a rose already, and it's only May. Let me show you. Can you see that? Let's see if I can show you. There's a rose growing, starting to open up. How about that? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.